back, YouTube. We got an exciting test ride today. We're on the CF MOTO 670 SRR. We're going to take this bike for a little bit of a ride in all different scenarios, test it out, see how it handles, what I like, what I don't like, what could be improved, and just give you like my overall first impressions, first ride. For a stock exhaust, this actually sounds pretty nice. Let's jump on the bullock, see how it handles. Straight off the bat, throttle's really smooth, quite linear. Does have really nice note. So we picked the bike up from Car Brothers. They've given me the bike for the day. This is a demo bike, so if you are local and this is something that you might be interested, go in, test ride it. A little improvement probably straight off the back. The quick shift is not super smooth, but it's not overly bad as well. It does have a quick shifter up. You're looking at about 94 horsepower and about 70 newton meters of torque. So far the pickup's very linear, feels quite nice, pretty agile. So we're just going to go for a bit of city riding like this, see how it handles, go out in the mountain, see how it handles out there. But the throttle's pretty nice. Even the dash, everything looks quite nice. You got tire pressures. You got traction control. I think that is really all you got, traction control and a quick shifter. I didn't see any like wheelie control, slide control, but the biggest talking point is the price, really. This bike is just under I'm pretty sure $11,000. I think it's $10,700 for this bike, and I mean for the price, it's pretty sick. Pretty good value. No vibrations. Tank's really quite narrow, easy to grip. Throttle's very like it's smooth, but it's very responsive. I like it. Overall, it doesn't look like a bad looking bike as well. We'll pull up and I'll get some videos and stuff and some photos you can have a look at. I think the seat height's about 8'10". I'm like 5'7", and I can't tip. I'm not flat on my feet, but it's not an overly tall seat. I guess going off my R1, really, it doesn't feel like quite tall. Seating positions not overly aggressive, pretty wide handlebars. First or second, the quick shift is not the best, but sometimes a lot of bikes can be like that, going through neutral. But again, I keep referring back to the price range. Is like, it's a pretty good bike for under 11 grand. Like mirrors, the vibration, not much vibration on the highway. Didn't feel any vibration in my wrist. We'll start to see how the bike handles. Now out in the twisty roads. Brakes feel pretty good. Higher in the RPM, the quick shift is a lot better. Brakes feel nice. Don't know what they are, but they feel nice. Get some cinematic stuff of the bike there. We'll come back. It actually feels really nice on the side of the tyre. Man, what a bike! For the price, what the heck? What an absolute machine! Fuck, one of these would be sick for the track. Oh. I get in and lean it over. Bit of gravel. Like a little pop when you quick shift as well, sick. Rev matching's really nice. Very light clutch. Brakes feel nice. You got cooling ducts for the brake calipers. Man, I'm pretty impressed. Pretty impressed. Does it feel cheap? Absolutely not. Yeah, pretty impressed. on. Alright, so we just wrapped up the mountain riding, and surprisingly the bike handled really well. Very stable, felt very comfortable on the side of the tyre. Brakes are really good. Overall, this bike is absolutely amazing for the price that you pay. We're just going to do a little bit of slow stuff. I'm in 5th gear, doing 60 kilometers. See if we can get slower. 45, no jerkiness. A little bit of bogging, tiny bit. No, I wouldn't even, not that much. So we're just going to do a little bit of slow stuff, go get some videos and photos, and that's really going to wrap up this first ride. I really encourage people to go out and test ride a bike like this, because really this wouldn't be like, I would never have thought for the price that you pay that you'd get like such a well-rounded bike. Obviously there's a couple like little things you could do, like a bigger windscreen, but they're just like all aftermarket stuff you can just buy. Mirrors are really good, brakes are good, clutch is nice and light. Overall, it's a pretty impressive piece of kit for just under $11,000, which is crazy. So hopefully you enjoyed this first ride, like impressions. I can't really do reviews because I don't know enough about a bike to give you a full proper review, and I haven't kept the bike long enough to give you a full proper review, but that's my first impressions. Definitely, if you're in the market for this bike or the naked bike, which I will be doing a first ride on that as well, definitely go test ride one. Amazing bike. So hopefully you liked the video. Leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.